Hi, hello. It's been quite a while and we have not met yet. So, how have you been? This side everything is good, and since it's been 2 days, I think I've not shot any video face to face. I mean, I've shot the other way, but not talking to you. So, it's nice to see you, all of you, and. So let's start something. What should we talk about on the ninth day today? Well, communication is always the key principle whenever I try to talk and engage, and I feel that communication is something which is a two-way process. One person cannot handle, but there are a couple of situations, there are a couple of moments where you find you're the only person who's speaking in a conversation and not everybody is participating in it, right? So how do we handle that situation where you're the only person who is left to talk? So I think those are the moments where you just you know you do not get uncomfortable with silence. It is absolutely fine if you are the only person who is speaking and everybody else is just silent, and if for a moment or two you also want to be silent, that's absolutely fine. And do not be afraid of silence or awkward moments. We cannot talk all the time. It's a very natural, normal process, and we learn. So I think the key principle here is to just accept that silence is part of the conversation as well. So when we keep the comfort with silence, and when we are comfortable with our own silence and the silence around ourselves, and when we do not have enough to talk about or nothing else left to talk about, I think it's better to just accept it and enjoy that silence also. Silence is also a one way of communication only. So I think that's is very healthy, and I find it very refreshing, and I think I accept when there is silence in a conversation, and that's a very natural process. So instead of running away from it, just accept it, enjoy it, and just be comfortable. You do not have to make it any other way. Okay, so that's the key lesson for a healthy conversation. Just be comfortable with your silence, and that's all. Thank you so much, and we are keep doing this. Okay, thank you.